Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to install and use Lifetime, the online tool, the very useful tool for most of the YouTubers around the world is using to control their video posting on the website. Right here you can see on the right corner the statistics, so all the ratio, you can see the watch hour and the views per last 1 hour, the view per last 2 days, and the view per last 7 days. So this is the name vidIQ for YouTube, so let's check it out. So you guys, this one by this tool you can control all the numbers right there. This is the statistic, the ratio of your channels. So from there you can control your video after you post it to the website. It's very professional way. So this tool I make it lifetime use, so I don't recommend you to review this one as any commercial purpose. Please use as personality. So let's come to my channels. As you see, this one show the percentage 100%. That means that the video is ready, is good enough to be launched publicity on the website and reach to most of the viewers around the world. And when you open a video, you can see more statistics right on the right side. Yeah, the advertising appears on my video, so I guess I could receive some commission from that. So let's keep it playing for a while. So on the right side you can see this one is the vidIQ Enterprise. vidIQ Enterprise already. So later I show you how to make it enterprise. So by this enterprise version or the pro version, I do recommend you to use for your personality. I really don't recommend you to use for anti-commercial purposes. So with the pro version you can get the advanced account management, and also you can dedicate your account strategy to do the monthly channel audits and personalize your support. This will be also available to all the vidIQ premium account holders. And of course you can do your own reporting and do the analysis to turbocharge your next YouTube campaign with custom SEO analysis. And also to demonstrate the research YouTube traffic pattern, and also you can insert the competitor insights. This will be also influence the campaign management to identify the talent that fits your target audience and is appropriate for your brands, and then facilitate and meet the content partnerships with them. So, and also about the content channel strategy, this will be optimized your opening, your closing, and video channel branding, the channel trailer, and about the page, the description, links, and the custom thumbnail, etc. You can do everything with the the pro version. But with the enterprise version you get all things about that. As you can minimize, you can see it's look like the normal screen on your computer like that. So if you show it, maximize expand, so you can see all the statistics right side of the video from here. Very easy to control your video after you post it on YouTube. And also you can connect your video, your channels with the Facebook fan page to see how many followers. This one is SEO video score, and this one is video optimization checklist. From here you can see which point you already achieve in a real life and which point you need to complete in order to achieve the fully and get a high SEO score. And the video text, you see you can add more text, or you can remove some text, or even you can see some text that reach to most of the viewers they search on the internet. this is a very professional way to control a video after posting on the YouTube. As I said, this one is not applied to the YouTuber. They can control. So you see the edit button right on the downside of the video. When you edit a video, please scroll down. You can see the video tags right here. You can add more tag, or even you can remove some tag. So you can see some SEO score. Reach to the 50%, 43. And some text count 5.5, 5/5 already. And right here the maximum of the text 500. So I reached almost nearly maximum text already, 493. So you can add some wordings like 7 wordings more. So from this tag I got 5/5, and the keywords in the title 5/5, and keywords in the description also 5/5. Very easy to control, right? And right here you reach the SEO score. This one important score. So maximum 100 score. That means your video is very quality to upload to most of the users around the world, most of the viewers around the world. So now show you how to install Lifetime using vidIQ for YouTube. So let's firstly install, of course, the vidIQ for your YouTube. So you can set the vidIQ for your browser. So you can find here vidIQ version for YouTube. Then you add to your browser. So you can install checking for a while. Right here you can see its installation to your browser. You open it, and you can see IQ icon is over there already. So open it. So if you a new user, you can create a new account right here. So input the email information right here. But I'm already a user, so I can log into the vidIQ for my account. Alright, so before that you need to go to the extension, and you do some more step right here. So you see it's enabled already. So now I show you on the YouTube. This one is the basic version. Now it's just only the basic version. You can see that's mean the basic version you got some the limitation of the function. We cannot use full of the function, of course. Yeah, you can see vidIQ basic version. You see the basic version. So after a few steps, I will make this one will become to the pro version or enterprise version. That means as user mode pay to become the pro or enterprise version. So I show you freely. We can give lifetime. So firstly you need to enable the developer mode right here to get the ID, and you go to the installation folder. So please follow the same to reach to the installation folder. Sorry, on the users. Yes. Chrome. So extension right here. So you come back to the extension right here. You can see the ID. Enable developer mode to see the ID. You copy the ID. You can see the ID name, packckg, right? And at the end you can see GB@L. So come back to the folder. You can see packckg, GB@L right here. That's one. So for sure you can copy the ID and paste it right here. You can see also. Pass it right here. So in this folder we need to edit only this file, bundle file. Just edit this file. So you see the code is very complex, right? So you copy all the code, and I show you guys go to this online web page to briefly the code to Beautify to beautify the code. Yeah, that's mean the look to make the code is more beautiful, more clean. This one is the online JavaScript web page to beautify your code. You pass your complex code right here, and of course waiting for a while because the code is very long. Yeah, it's very complex code. So this online tool is for anyone who want to make the code is more clean and beautify the code. I mean, so you copy the code right here and waiting for a while. So keep waiting. Maybe a few second more when it probably show. Yeah, right here already. So you see the code is originally shows here very complex. So you see the button right here, beautify this code. Click, you hit the button. Yeah, it's become more clean, right? Yeah, the code is now become more clean and professional. Just copy the code and you come back to this file. You pass here, you pass the clean code right here to replace. Actually it's the same, just make it more clean, and later you can find what the code number you want to revise. Just copy it again. In the code right here you need to revise some number in order to become from the basic user to become the pro user, or even the boost user, even the enterprise user. Also we change by the number in the code right here. Later I will show you. Firstly to copy. Yeah, wait for a while because the code is so long. So you pass right here. Yeah, now it's okay. It's more easy to find some code, some wordings inside, right? So you can search for var, e, and basic. You enter the same. No. So cannot find. Maybe the working with time right here is a bit different character, or the font is different, maybe. So I don't know, but it's not so big problem. You can see the wordings like this, you can remember, and then you try to search in another program. So firstly, please save it. Please save it, and then we have another program to open and set the code. So like the Sublime Text, you can try to set the Sublime Text. Yeah, this one we can easily to set the code. So download the Sublime Text to your computer and install at the normal file. So you can see Sublime Text installing here. So after it's finished installation, you open the Sublime Text and you drag the file, bundle file. You see, you drag in the Sublime Text to open the file bundle, and you make some addition in that file to change the code. I'll show you later. So it's finished installation already. Just open it. Waiting for a while because you see when the file, yeah, it's become ready now. Can open. So you install the application as normally. Okay, now you can close. So it's right here. You open the Sublime Text. So you can see nothing here. So you drag the file, bundle file. I see, as I show you, the bundle file you drag here because the code you you cannot set on this file, so you can set and do addition right on this Sublime Text. Okay, already. So now you find the code right here, var basic. Okay, very easy to find, right? So from this code you see var basic and number 0, basic, pro, boost, enterprise. You just edit this number from 0 to 5 to become the enterprise and save. Yeah, and save it. So now you copy the whole folder. So I suggest you copy to the desktop to try first. Yeah, the whole folder, remember. So you open again the bundle file to make sure it's already edited the number 0 to 5. 0 means the basic, 0, the basic. So number 5 is the final version, enterprise. So you can see basic to enterprise. So okay, it's already number 5. So let's close and upload all the folder to now you can delete this folder. So then you upload the whole folder to the extension. You see extension. Now download the unpacked. So you can load the whole folder right here. Yeah, it's already now uploaded. Now you come back to check. You see the basic, right? So just refresh the button. You see the change. Now you see the change. This will become the enterprise, right? You see, this is enterprise. Number 5, 0 to change to number 5. Later you see in description below the video. I show you the way how to make this one lifetime use. So as you see, now we unlock this step. Also, now you can change the location, the language. Also become when you are basic. So by this video I just show you how to update freely and you lifetime the vidIQ for YouTube for your channel. So if you think this video is useful, please like, share and hit the subscribe button to get more update video from me. And don't forget to leave your comment below whether you want any support from me to install the vidIQ for your channels. So thanks for watching.